Alright, so as you can see, what's going on, it's just a bucket seat out of a vehicle, and it's got a pretty nice little hole in this seat cushion and in this seat material. So what I think we're going to have to do is we're going to have to build something out of this foam right here, and then I've got a piece of junk stuff that I got out of I don't even know where this stuff came from, but it looks like it might work. Now, basically, just kind of cut some scrap pieces of that foam and kind of jammed them in there just to kind of help it. Put this piece of fabric over there, and it's this pretty strong fabric, and this is just foam here. I'll put it over that, and I'll try to get it put inside there. What I did was I took my screwdriver and I just kind of pushed that material down. You know, this is the other scrap piece of it. This is the piece I want out because it's durable. And I pushed it down inside there. There's foam in between the outside here and this very edge. So I went all the way around it and made sure that that was down inside there, and it's sitting pretty flush. All right, now I'm going to use a curved needle for this, and I've got quite a bit of, this is just industrial thread. That's what that is. It's just gray, so it kind of sort of matches. And you can see the stitch that I'm going to try and use here. It's just going to go up and around. It's just going to try and go all the way around this as best as we can. And you can see how I'm doing it. What I'll do is I'll loop it through here, pull it through, and then loop the needle through the end of this, and it causes it to cross over here. I don't think it's a crossover stitch, but I'm not sure what it is, but it seems to work okay when I'm doing these kind of little minimal seat repairs. And we'll probably use some of this fray stop. We'll probably put a little bit around the edge of this whole thing here just to kind of keep it, and then I'll probably trim all this little bits of stuff off here. I might even cut that or square it up, but we'll see how that all works. And it should work out pretty good. And then also there's this liquid stitch you can put in there. It's for stitchless sewing, but I'd use this very minimal, but it's good for some of this repair, like underneath these areas right here.